welcome to ET Garage, and anyone who's been following my channel, well, the motor is in the car, but it took me all morning to get to this point, and one of the reasons is I'm fighting with the motor mount. One of the new motor mounts, and it's on the passenger side, which is the tighter side, of course, will not line up. Anyway, give me a moment, and I'll try and get you a view of that with the camera. Okay, I don't know if you can see that or not, but like you can see on this side, this is the front of the motor where my hand is right here. I have the screwdriver in, but it's sort of like at an angle, and it just won't line up on the other side. It's like it's almost like it's at an angle, and the only thing I could think to do is to take that motor mount back out, jack the motor up, take the motor mount out, and stick the old one in. That's about the only thing I can think of. I tried pounding it in, that didn't work. Maybe I'll try pounding it in some more. I don't want to waste a whole day just working on a motor mount. By the time I get done this motor mount, and I still got to edit the video that you saw before this where I did the engine build, I still got to edit that and upload it. So I don't know, maybe I'll do that, maybe I won't, but I'll try pounding it in a little more. All that is rubber right here, so it should go in, you know, as far as I can tell anyway. Is it like this? It's bolted like this, and it goes in like this into the frame. So there shouldn't be anything holding it that I can see it other than the rubber. And this is just soft, well, not soft rubber, but pretty pliable rubber that it should go in. So unless it's molded wrong or something, that's the only thing I can think of. So I don't know, I'll try pounding that sucker in a little bit more and then see what happens. So okay, I managed to get it to drop in, and I didn't have to take it completely out and put the old one in. I managed to swedge a screwdriver between where the frame rail comes up along here that it drops into and here, and hammer it in, and it just dropped right in. Bad news is I also took two upper motor mount bolts out in order to give it, oops, I dropped one, give it so this way the motor mount could like pivot a little bit on the one lower motor mount bolt here. So I took these two out. Now it dropped in, but now these two upper holes don't line up. So I got to try and figure out to try and get them to line up, get those two back in. That'll probably be another good hour at least. All right, all the motor mount bolts are in, and the motor is secured to the motor mounts. I still gotta do the bell housing bolts and a bunch of other stuff. I'm gonna take a break. I think I'm just gonna call it quits right here as far as videoing. It's just a short video, sorry. And I don't know if I'll work on it anymore today or not. I'm gonna go inside, take a break, like I said. I am, this might turn into a 3-day install. I'm just getting old and tired. Tomorrow, if I get rested today, I should be able to button everything up tomorrow. No problem, now that that hard part is over. Or I hope that's the hard part. You never know what I'm gonna run into. Still got, like I said, still got to get like the headers on, the bell housing bolts, the torque converter bolted up to the flex plate, the exhaust, and then all the upper intake, the wiring, the rest of the cooling system, all that good stuff. So like I said, I'm going to end it here. I'm beat. Everybody have a better day than I am. And God bless.